Hello everybody, Dom Limited here tonight, and slight change of plans. What happened was the Sharp TV video I was working on, the darnest thing, YouTube won't let me put it up for some reason. So, I gave up on that after about 10-15 tries of uploading it. I still have a Sansui TV coming, a review coming, a laptop video, the car sold, so sadly I don't have it anymore. So, enough about that. This is a Michigan Industrial Tool cheap branded drill. Doesn't have a charger. It's an 18 volt. It's got the typical plastic. What's kind of interesting about this is battery's actually got a decent charge on it, even though we use this bad boy to bring the life back to it for a while. So you got your typical holders for your bits. Some of them have them on two sides, but this one's only on one side. I'm thinking this is probably an earlier drill from like 10-15 years ago. I'd say probably 10 years ago. It's a solid feeling drill. It's not bad. So what we'll do is we'll drill some holes with get some scrap wood out, and we will get that set up real quick. Yeah. So we'll take one of these types of cheap crap that they make nowadays. So this is almost as large as the it's not the most powerful drill in the world, but as you can see, the battery is kind of on the weak side. Don't think we're going to be able to conclude our test very long. This thing does not actually have a model number, and I don't have an owner's manual with it either. But this is the case that it came in. So that was only $1. And it came with some cheap complimentary bits that went along with it. So put that back over here, and take this. This bit may have been too heavy duty for it, so we'll get that back in there. Whatever you do, stay away from these DeWalt titanium bits. They're good for junk. I snapped quite a few of them off. So go with the Craftsman or the Bosch ones. Those aren't bad at all. So we'll put the complimentary bit in. As you can see, what's nice is it's not going to slip in the chuck. Okay, we'll grab a screw. Now, we take something on the smaller side. Okay. As you can see, sadly this drill just doesn't have the power to get the job done. I would say it's like a Harbor Freight drill or a Walmart drill, or I would compare it to those off-brand drills like you find on Amazon for 30 bucks. So the battery definitely does need to be recharged, but at least we were able to kind of test. I don't have anything against the Michigan Industrial Tools. I just thought it was kind of interesting. You don't usually find these very often. So that was a kind of maybe a short video, but not much of a review because you wouldn't be able to do much with it. It's kind of a cheapy drill, but it gets the job done. So thank you as always for watching. It's been a pleasure. And if you like what you saw, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a good night.